running a red light is a serious? Is it A, traffic violation, B, detour, C, high beam, or D, map? Welcome to Lingo Ladder. In this video, you'll learn 30 new words about transportation and directions. From car parts and road signs to apps and everyday travel situations. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Detour. A detour is a temporary route used when the main road is closed. 2. Carpool. Carpooling means sharing a car with others to save time or money. 3. One-way street. A one-way street only allows traffic to move in one direction. 4. Shoulder. The shoulder is the edge of a road where cars can stop in emergencies. 5. Yield. To yield means to let another car go first. 6. Merge. To merge means to join another lane of traffic. 7. Overpass. An overpass is a bridge that goes over a road. 8. Underpass. An underpass is a road that goes under another road or railway. 9. Pedestrian crossing. A pedestrian crossing is a marked area where people can safely cross. 10. Rear-view mirror. A rear-view mirror helps the driver see what's behind them. 11. License plate. A license plate is the number on a car that identifies it. 12. Speed bump. A speed bump is a raised area on the road to slow down cars. 13. Toll road. A toll road is a road where you pay to use it. 14. Roadwork. Roadwork means construction or repairs on a road. 15. Tow truck. A tow truck is used to move broken down cars. 16. Flat tire. A flat tire has no air and needs to be fixed. 17. Accelerate. To accelerate means to go faster. 18. Brake. To brake means to slow down or stop the car. 19. Horn. A horn is the loud sound a car makes. 20. Helmet. A helmet protects your head while biking or riding. 21. Rear seat. The rear seat is the back seat of a car. 22. Seat belt. A seat belt is a strap that keeps you safe in a car. 23. Curb. The curb is the edge of the sidewalk next to the street. 24. Intersection camera. An intersection camera records cars that break the rules. 25. Ride-sharing app. A ride-sharing app lets you book a car using your phone. 26. Commuter train. A commuter train is used by people traveling to work. 27. High beams. High beams are bright lights used when driving at night. 28. Road sign. A road sign gives drivers directions or warnings. 29. Map out a route. To map out a route means to plan your trip. 30. Traffic violation. A traffic violation is when someone breaks traffic rules.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go.
1. The road was closed, so we had to take another way. What is this called?
Correct answer is detour.
2. We always share a ride to work to save money. What do we do?
Correct answer is carpool.
3. Be careful. That road only goes in one direction.
Correct answer is one-way street.
4. If your car breaks down, pull over to the...
Correct answer is shoulder.
5. What should you do when another car is coming and has the right of way?
Correct answer is yield.
6. To enter a busy road, you need to into traffic.
Correct answer is merge.
7. The bridge goes over the road. What is it called?
Correct answer is overpass.
8. This road goes under another road. What is it?
Correct answer is underpass.
9. People should always cross the street at the...
Correct answer is pedestrian crossing.
10. Before changing lanes, check your... to see behind you.
Correct answer is rear view mirror.
11. The number on the back of your car is your...
Correct answer is license plate.
12. There's a ahead. Slow down or you'll damage your car.
Correct answer is speed bump.
13. We had to pay $5 to use the...
Correct answer is toll road.
14. There's on Main Street this week, so expect traffic delays.
Correct answer is road work.
15. My car broke down, so I had to call a...
Correct answer is tow truck.
16. We got a... on the way home, so we were late.
Correct answer is flat tire.
17. When the light turns green, you can start to...
correct answer is accelerate.
18. What do you press when you want to slow down or stop the car?
Correct answer is brake.
19. He honked to warn the driver ahead of him.
Correct answer is horn.
20. It's dangerous to ride a bike without a...
Correct answer is helmet.
21. Where do passengers usually sit in the back of a car?
Correct answer is rear seat.
22. It's the law. Always wear your... while driving.
Correct answer is seat belt.
23rd. He parked too far from the... and got a ticket.
Correct answer is curb.
24. This device takes pictures of cars breaking traffic rules at corners.
Correct answer is intersection camera.
25. If you don't have a car, you can still travel using a...
Correct answer is ride-sharing app.
26. I use the every morning to get to work. It's always full.
Correct answer is commuter train.
27. Be polite and turn off your... when another car approaches.
Correct answer is high beams.
28. Always watch the... to know where you're going.
Correct answer is road sign.
29. Before we drive, let's... so we don't get lost.
Correct answer is map out a route.
30. Running a red light is a serious...
Correct answer is traffic violation. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hey, Mark, thanks for giving me a ride to the airport.
No problem. I mapped out a route already. We'll avoid toll roads and traffic.
Great! I just hope we don't hit any roadwork or detours.
Same here. The navigation app didn't show any delays, but you never know.
Did you check your tire pressure? Last time, you had a flat tire, remember?
Haha, yes. That's why I brought the spare and the number of a tow truck, just in case.
Smart! Don't forget to wear your seatbelt.
Already on, and I adjusted the rearview mirror before we left.
Good. Wow, that car behind us is really close. He didn't yield at the intersection.
Yeah, people get crazy during rush hour. I wish there was an intersection camera there.
Totally. What was his license plate?
Didn't catch it. I was too busy looking at the road signs.
Oops, speed bump ahead. Brake gently.
Thanks. This road is full of surprises. Speed bumps, high beams, you name it.
Did you see that guy on the bike? He wasn't even wearing a helmet.
So dangerous. I always wear one when I bike. I even have a rear seat for my nephew.
Nice. Hey, are we supposed to merge here?
Yes, but the car on the left won't let me in.
Use your horn. Maybe he'll notice.
Okay, there we go.
Oh no, the dashboard says we need to pull over. What happened?
Looks like we're overheating. I'll move to the shoulder and check.
What now? Should we call a tow truck or use a ride-sharing app?
Let's go with the ride-sharing app. It's faster and will still make your flight.
Good idea. I'll request one now.
Thanks. This car is going to the shop again.
At least we didn't break any laws. No traffic violations today.
True. Let's take the underpass. It's quicker than waiting at the overpass.
Got it. Just let the driver know not to take any one-way streets by mistake.
Will do. Hopefully no more surprises. Let's get you to the airport.
Thanks, Mark. You saved me. Let's carpool again sometime, but in a better car. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon!